Hi everybody and welcome back to another video, and on today's video I wanted to answer a frequently asked question on whether we repair guns that aren't sold by us. So as you may know, we do run a website, rugbabe.com, where you could buy your own Z2Q tufting gun and other tufting materials such as monk's cloth. Besides that, we do offer repairs to any of these tufting guns even if they're not sold by us or you did not originally buy the gun from us. And just like this person here who bought their gun from a different dealer, and for some reason they couldn't get either a refund or repair advice or send it back for maintenance, they contacted us at support@rugbabe.com, where we went ahead and had them ship it to us so we could repair it here at our shop. So the owner of this gun contacted us about a week ago saying they had issues with their gun. They took it apart and couldn't put it back together because it wasn't tufting properly. And I'm guessing they couldn't get a hold of the dealer or they couldn't get information on how to fix the gun themselves. So they decided to go ahead and contact us, and we just had them ship it to our shop. So as you can see here, they just basically put everything in a Ziploc bag, all the pieces, and that's okay. As long as all the pieces are there, we could fix the gun and we could put it back together. Luckily for us, they were all here, so it was just an issue of adjusting certain parts, measuring certain parts, and putting it all back together. Now, I always recommend for people to send it into our shops because even though these guns do look the same, they're not the same type of gun. These guns do come with slight differences that makes them just unique enough to need slight different measurements and slight different adjustments. Since we have done dozens and dozens of repairs to different types of models of these ZQ2s and different types of models to tufting guns in general, we have a good understanding of how they work and how to adjust them. It's kind of difficult to send an email or a text message to people just wanting to know how to adjust their guns, because the slightest offset on these measurements or adjustments will throw off the gun and make your tufting a lot more difficult. Now, we do run into the issue every now and again of people from neighboring countries or even international countries wanting to know how to repair their tufting gun. For them, it is a little bit more difficult to send their tufting gun into us for repairs, so we do offer other means of service such as video chats, or we will make quick videos to try to help them repair these guns. We do have other helpful videos on our website and on our YouTube channel that show you how to repair these guns and what goes into how to maintain and operate these guns. So when we do repair these guns or put them back together, we always set them back to the settings that is a short setting that we prefer on our rug making guns. Now, the issue comes into hand if you're halfway through a project, your gun stops working, and you need to finish that project. Let us know. We could try to adjust the gun to the length that it was set prior to you sending it in, but if not, we will always reset the gun back to the short settings, which is standard. Now, this is a way to guarantee that the gun is gonna work and it's gonna work for you in the long run. It is a shorter cut, which does save on yarn, and it is a shorter cut, so it does make it fluffier and thicker. But some people do like that longer cut, and just let us know before you send it in and we could adjust the gun accordingly. Now, this gun here, I did adjust it the same way I adjusted another gun we had on our previous videos. I demonstrated it. I put the same exact measurements, I did the same exact adjustments, and I still noticed that the gun was a little off. Like I said previously, all these guns do come from different dealers, different sellers, and they do need a little personal adjustment to make sure they're gonna run just smooth. This isn't the first time we received this specific type of gun from this specific dealer, so we already have our measurements set, our adjustments set. It's just that little tinkering and just that little bit to make the gun work properly. Now, it did take about 3 separate adjustments, but that's no issue because here at the shop we have everything we need. We have testing cloth, we have testing yarn, and we could adjust the gun the way it should be set. And like I said, don't feel bad if you are not confident enough to work on the gun yourself, or you just feel like you either don't have the time, don't have the knowledge or the skills, or whatever the issue. just send it in to us. Just go ahead and contact us at support@rugbabe.com. Send us an email, describe the issues, and if possible send us pictures and videos of the gun. That way when we do receive the gun, we could start working on it right away instead of trying to figure out what the issues is and making it take longer and probably end up costing more due to service time or repair cost. Now, lucky for us that this gun did have all the parts. Yes, it was taken apart, and yes, it was sent to us in a bag, but that's okay. It's when parts are broken or missing that we have issues, and that does kind of run up the cost of repairing these guns. Now, we do have plenty of spare parts or replacement parts, so don't worry. If you broke something on your gun, let us know what you broke, and we can either send you a replacement or have you send it in to us where we could replace it for you. And that's it. We've adjusted this gun properly. We've measured this gun properly. Yes, it did take us 3 separate adjustments, which is okay because we're here at our shop. But now we know for sure this gun is going to run. And all that's left to do is just to test the gun on some cloth and send it back to the customer. Perfect. Short and perfect. Thank you again everybody for watching another video. I hope you check out our website rugbabe.com if you're looking to get yourself your own Z2Q tufting gun. And also check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you again on another video. Bye.